But you know, if you work an 8-hour job, you're going to get 55 cents an hour. You're going to get it. If you stay home, you're not going to get any money. You're going to have time to write things down on paper. I guess I was one of those rarities of our modern times who did starve for his art. Who I really starved, you know, to have a 24-hour day unintruded upon by other people. I gave up food, I gave up everything just to, I was a nut, I was dedicated. But you see, the problem is you can be a dedicated nut and not be able to do it. Dedication without talent is useless. Understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Dedication alone is not enough. You can starve and want to do it. And how many do that? They starve in the gutters and they don't make it. They all think they have. How do you know that you're the one? You don't know. It's a shot in the dark. You take it or you become a normal, civilized person from 8 to 5. Get married, have children, Christmas together. Here comes Grandma. Hi, Grandma, come on in. How are you? You know, shit, I couldn't take that. I'd rather murder myself. I guess just in the blood of me couldn't stand the whole thing that's going on, the ordinariness of life. I couldn't stand family life. I couldn't stand job life. I couldn't stand anything I looked at. I just decided I either had to starve, make it, go mad, come through, or do something. Even if I hadn't made it on writing, I could not do the 8 to 5. I would have been a suicide or something. Something, I'm sorry. I could not accept the snail's pace, 8 to 5, happy birthday, Christmas, New Year. To me, this is the sickest of all sick things. So I just had luck. I held on. Somebody took a poem or a short story somewhere. Now I just sit around, drink wine, and I talk about myself because you guys ask the questions, not because I give the answers. Okay?